This review focuses on a set of keycaps designed for a specific segment of the mechanical keyboard market. We're looking at Xda and Dsa profile blink Pbt keycaps, crafted for compatibility with MX-style switches, particularly on ortholinear layouts such as the Xd75, Id75, Planck, Prionic, and Neo 40. The core features of these keycaps revolve around their profile, material, and aesthetic. The Xda and Dsa profiles are known for offering a uniform or near-uniform height across all rows, which is a significant advantage for ortholinear keyboards where row staggering is absent. This design choice contributes to a consistent tactile experience. Constructed from Pbt plastic, these keycaps inherently offer enhanced durability and resistance to the common issue of keycap shine over extended use, often providing a pleasant, slightly textured feel under the fingertips. The blink designation signifies a minimalist aesthetic, free of legends, which appeals to touch typists and those seeking a clean, uncluttered keyboard appearance. From a practical standpoint, these keycaps are precisely tailored for individuals utilizing ortholinear MX keyboards. Their uniform profile is particularly beneficial for these grid-like layouts, where traditional sculpted keycap sets might feel out of place or inconsistent. They cater to users who prioritize a clean visual presentation and those who have developed sufficient muscle memory to type without relying on printed legends. Furthermore, the Pbt material ensures they are a robust choice for daily use, resisting wear and maintaining their initial texture over time. In terms of design and usability, the choice of Xda or Dsa profiles directly impacts the typing experience, promoting a consistent feel across the entire board. The blink design is a deliberate aesthetic statement, offering a streamlined look that can simplify the overall keyboard presentation. Reliability is inherent in the Pbt material, which is well regarded for its longevity and resistance to degradation. The Universal MX switch compatibility further underscores their practical design, ensuring they can be readily installed on a wide array of compatible mechanical keyboards. In summary, this keycap set delivers a focused solution for ortholinear keyboard enthusiasts. By combining the durable, shine-resistant properties of Pbt with the consistent feel of Xda or Dsa profiles and a minimalist blink aesthetic, it provides a functional and visually distinct upgrade. It reliably meets the specific demands of its target audience, offering a durable and consistent typing experience for compatible MX-style ortholinear keyboards.